everybody, it's me, Pros11 here, and I'm hoping you're liking this new setup. I'm hoping the recording quality is way better. Please be expecting more recordings, especially some gameplay, like maybe some Valorant. I love Valorant. I actually have a Razer Tartarus V2 for it. Checks my hand cam for that. I like that. Yeah, I'm sorry for the lack of uploads. I've just been busy upgrading my computer enough to be able to put out some videos for you guys. And I'm hoping you guys are going to like this. Hope the sound quality for my mic is good. It's currently not pointing at my face because I'm about to do something with my keyboard. But, yeah. So let's get into what this video is going to be. It's going to be about my first ever customized keyboard, I guess, mechanical gaming keyboard. One thing I'm waiting on is stabilizers, because my spacebar but it's like super wobbly side to side, no stabilizers on it. So I have to hit like dead center for it to register. But I tried making it sound good, and I think it sounds pretty good, especially for my first one. And this keyboard is the HyperX Alloy Origin 60. I'll put a link to it in the description of the video. It'll be an Amazon link. My friend got it from another friend, and then I got it from that friend. And this keyboard's, I think it's $110. And he really wanted something I had, and I traded it, and I got it for like really cheap. So yeah, let's get into this sound test. We'll do a quick typing test. I'm not very good at typing speed, but we'll see. Okay, here we go. Already off to a good start. Okay, yeah, that was the typing test. I think it sounds pretty good, especially for my first ever keyboard. I've been watching a lot of Switch and Click and one other guy, and I got most of the mods from them. I don't remember what they're called, so don't expect them in the description. That's what I'm trying to say. But I ordered another keyboard, and that's supposed to come in the mail pretty soon, and that's a hot swappable keyboard, so I'm gonna be able to like lube all the switches and do all like that stuff. So I'm excited about that. And so yeah. That's pretty much all I got for you guys today. Expect for more gameplay videos, maybe with my friend Styx. He has a Twitch channel, and so do I. I'm trying to figure out my Twitch stuff right now on this computer because I had it at my summer camp I went to all set up, but I need to figure out how to set all my stuff up here now for the screen capture and all that. Last stream I tried here, the screen capture was all messed up. But yeah, I'll put my Twitch channel in the description. I will also put my friend Styx's and the Amazing Dragon. We just call him Dragon, but he doesn't really play Valorant that much anymore, and he doesn't really stream that often, but me and Styx are going to be hopefully streaming and recording together, and I'm pretty sure he's going to start a YouTube channel, and if he does, I will update you guys, but I will try my best to stay uploading, but I don't know, it's kind of discouraging, I guess is the word. But yeah, if you guys have any ideas for videos, please put them in the comments. Also, if you guys want a setup tour, I will definitely do that. Right now my room's a total mess from all the boxes and all that, but I will do it if you guys want it. But yeah, that's the end of the video. So I'm Pros11 signing off until the next one. Goodbye.